Today I want to do a quick video on a browser I've been checking out. So first things first, I have to apologize. I have a messed up sore throat. I have a cold, so I'm stuck inside. I'm not doing anything. So I thought I'd make a video of this browser that I've been playing with. And this is the browser right here. It's called Brave. The reason I wanted to show you this browser. Come on, browser, open up. And of course, it's not opening up. Why? There we go. All right, the reason I want to show you this browser is because if you remember, what do we got here? Before I show you the AdGuard, which is what I have blocking all the websites or ads on the network at home, and one of the downsides is that every time they have an update, this one doesn't automatically update, so you have to update it manually, which is fine, but it's just something kind of annoying. I wish it would update on its own, but if you look here, now it's updated. So there was an update on that, so this is what I'm using on the network. But when you're away from your network, what if you want to block ads on your cell phone, for example? Well, that's where the Brave comes in, or the Brave browser, because this is supposed to block a lot of the ads. And even if you want to go to YouTube, for example, you can actually block all the ads that they show, which is kind of nice, but I'm still trying to play with it. And I don't know, let me see. Let's look for news. Let's just look at news. See if we can see that. See, there's nothing here. And let me go on news on the this one here. News. And, well, I'm using DuckDuckGo on this one as well. So let's go CNN.com. Now let me do another one. Let's do LATimes.com. These are usually full of ads and things like that. So you got this here. So let's go look at the Brave just to compare it. Let me see here. Let me close this one here so that we're good there. That way we can compare both. So if we go down. So this is the, what is this? That's a pop-up from the website. It's not necessarily an ad. So that's programmed into our website. So let's go on the Firefox. Let's see what we get. You should get that same pop-up, if I remember right. There it is. So that's the website part that's programmed on there. But as you can see, we don't have anything else showing up. So I'm just trying to compare the two. Just kind of show you some ads. So as you can see, nothing popping up there. So let's go back to try to find another site. Let's go for a TV station, KTLA.com. They tend to have a gazillion ads popping up. So right now I'm on the Brave browser and nothing's popping up. Now let's go look at the Firefox. Let's do that. KTLA.com. And here we go. So as you can see, both are doing a pretty good job in terms of keeping those ads away. You'll still see things that are program into the websites, obviously, but as far as things popping up, it's pretty tame, which is good, and that's what you want. Not only on the website, but you want this especially on the cell phone, because you don't have a way to, unless you're logging into your home through a VPN, which is just a hassle. But if you use the Brave browser, it'll actually block all that nonsense, and you're good to go. So it doesn't look as exciting as I thought. I was hoping, because I was hoping to see a bunch of junk, but obviously they're both doing their jobs. So let me see, what can we do here? This is Brave. Let's go back to where was I? This one. Let's go ahead and turn this off. It's on. Where's the off button? It's been a while since I've been here, so bear with me. Channel settings, block. It was pretty easy last time I checked. Oh, here we go. So we're gonna disable that protection, so you can see, and we're gonna try those again. So I'm gonna do a new one. So let's go up for ktla.com, see what we got. This page is notorious for ads. So we got the cookies, a lot of the there you go, no thanks. A lot of these TV stations are pretty notorious for that kind of thing. So we have another ad here. Let me go back to Brave. You can see Brave has that lion. So there's a difference right there. You see on this side there aren't any ads. And when we go back, you see more ads right here. So that's the first one. And there's nothing here. The wording, nothing there. So right here we're on Brave. What is this? No, not Brave. Firefox. Now let me go back to Brave. I'm back on Brave. So there's absolutely nothing here. So they do work, as you can see. Now that I disable it, I'm getting all these ads, and it's right here. So let's go ahead and change that. Right now we're going to change it to enable. Refresh. Let's go back and refresh here, and it's gone. So it does work. And the reason it's coming up is because it's on the cache, so it keeps bringing it up if it does come back. And all you have to do is clear your cache. But I want to kind of give you a look between the Firefox and the Brave, which you can download for your Android phone and probably iOS. I'm not sure. I haven't downloaded on anything other than Android. So I hope that helps to kind of show you something new where you can avoid these ads on your cell phone, because it gets pretty annoying trying to do something when you're trying to work on something and you get all these ads and annoying things. And the best part is, if you go to YouTube, all the ads in here are taken away too. I'm just trying to figure out how to change the background on this one. But I was reading they're still working on that, just to make it a little darker. But when you click on something here, I'm not going to do that, but it'll skip the ads so you won't see those, which is kind of nice. So you can replace that YouTube app and just use this. So until they come with a specific app for YouTube, I think there was something, I saw something about downloading an app, but I haven't seen it or done anything yet. I just it was something quick that I saw. But anyways, now you can view YouTube without the ads on your Android phone too. So that's pretty much it for this video. I know I went a little further, but I just kind of want to show you the difference between this add a browser, the Brave browser, which, let me go back here. Let's go home. This one you have to add the home button. I don't know why they don't automatically put them there, which is kind of dumb. I'm on the wrong browser here. So let me go home. But you still have to do the same on the browser here. And this is sort of their main page. The other cool thing is you can start a call, kind of like a meeting sort of deal, which is kind of interesting within the browser as well. So this is, let me go here real quick. So allow the phone, sure. Okay, join a meeting. All right, let's go enter. And I want to show you something very cool here. I can put a background just like I did with the, where was it? If I can find it. Oh, here. As you can see, I've only started playing with it not too long ago, so bear with me on this. We're going to go to select background right here. Is your camera? Sure. Alright, so it's nothing pretty. It's like 90 degrees inside. And this is kind of like the computer broadcast there. The NVIDIA broadcast sort of background that you can use on this one, which is, I thought was kind of cool. So I'm using the lamp right now, and I'll change it to this one. As you can see, it'll change. So it seems to have to reboot again or do this over. So let's go back to the camera. And there it is. I'm at the beach. Of course, that looks kind of funky because of the background that I'm using. But as you can see, you can do meetings with a different background. It may not look the best if your lighting is kind of dark like it is on mine, but I thought that was kind of cool since I was able to do it with the NVIDIA broadcast. But the NVIDIA broadcast, you can only use it if you have an NVIDIA video card. So there you go. This one, you don't need an NVIDIA video card. You can just do it from the web browser itself, which is kind of cool. All right, let's go ahead and get rid of that. And let's go back. Leave, yes. So I'm back on the main page. And those are just a few things that you can do on this browser, the Brave browser. Let me go to the home page here if I can find it. Let's try this. Brave. So there you go, brave.com. And that's what it is. Before I leave, though, I want to show you something else. I've been playing with the browsers today, just a little of something to do since I've been indoors because of this nasty cold that I got. But I want to show you that as well. So let's close that. Let's go to, well, I can't go there because it's right behind my, there we go. Okay, now I can do it. Right behind the recording settings. So one thing I just noticed on the Microsoft Edge browser is that they have some new tools, especially if you're a student. So let's go to that right here on the top. If you go to more tools, they have Cast to Device, Math Solver, Cite This, Learning Toolkit. Excuse me. So let's go to the Math Solver, which is kind of cool because if you don't know how to do a specific math problem, it'll actually show you all the steps on how to do that. So now you don't have to necessarily go and ask somebody if you don't know how to do it, which is kind of cool. I wish this had been around when I was taking all these. So let's go and select math problem. So it just shows you right here. You select it. They have a little video on how to do this stuff. But I kind of wanted to show this because a lot of students, I'm sure, can use this in order to help you understand how to do a problem. Obviously, don't do your homework and just have the computer do it. You definitely want to learn the steps. And this helps you do that, which is kind of nice. So another one that they I have several tools here. Let's go to the Learning Toolkit. So they have a PDF Reader, Math Solver, Immersive Reader, Read Aloud, and then a couple of other. Well, that's just one. So not a lot, but you do have some options, which is kind of nice. So depending on what you're doing, you have the tools available to you. Let me see. They have a few games here and there if you really get that bored. But that's pretty much it for the basic stuff. I mean, I'm not going into just the web browser. Obviously, there are so many web browsers, but these are the couple of the browsers they can use. The Microsoft Edge, Firefox. You have the Brave, which is also based on the Chrome browser, which I believe I took out already because I wanted to try this. I didn't want to have any problems with those two, so that's what I did. But there you go. I hope that helps, and try it out, see if you like it. I still see a few things that are a little different, obviously, but it's one of those things. If you want to skip the ads, at least on the phone, this is a good way to do it. So I hope that helps, and I am going back to bed.